Hey everyone, we're here at Mountsberg Conservation Area, Milton, Ontario, for the Birds of a Feather Pride in Nature event. Yeah, and we're gonna go around and just look at all of the birds of prey they have here and see what else we might. There's some hiking trails that we might go check out in a bit. It's just good to be outside. It's a little cold out today, but it's mostly sunny, a little bit cloudy, and gusts of wind now and then. But all in all, pretty beautiful day. Here we have a broad-winged hawk named Thomas, who should be very easy to see right here in the background there. Hello, Thomas. Here we have Alex, who is a great horned owl.
Hi, Alex.
Alex is just over there. Hello, Canuck. You are a peregrine falcon. We have another bird up here, and this is Rufus. And Rufus is a red-tailed hawk.
Hello, Rufus.
Oh my gosh, that's a big bald eagle
Big one.
named Pagua.
Hello, Pagua.
Everything up to this point has led me here, and there's nowhere I'd rather be than to be here. All the things that made no sense, that felt so wrong and out of place, now seem to fit perfectly. Tell a story that was meant to be. I can finally say I feel at home. I can finally say I'd love to stay. Chances taken, choices made, cards left on tables and cards played, and no one knows how it will go. Questions burning in the mind, answers may not be there to find, and no one knows how it should be. So paint the pictures that you wanna see. I can finally say I feel at home. I can finally say I'd love to stay. Everything's been leading up to this moment. I know in my heart that I am home. Every no into a yes, no longer chasing happiness, just waiting to see what each day brings, and falling more and more in love with everything. I can finally say I feel at home. I can finally say I'd love to stay.
So here we have a lime kiln, circa 1860. You can read that if you want. Just pause the video. And that's just over here. Interesting. There's a train coming, but it's just sitting down there. I don't know why. This turtle sculpture is super cool. Look at that artwork. Turtles are one of my favorite animals. Am I not turtly enough for the Turtle Club? Turtle, turtle. So the train ended up, chocolate on my face there, I think. The train ended up going in the opposite direction. I thought it was coming towards us. It was going away from us. And I guess it stopped because it was probably loading up somewhere down the line. I'm sure it was a very long freight train. So unfortunately I wasn't able to get footage of it passing by, but maybe some other time. We do like trains. But that's going to be all for today. Well, there's another train coming by. Darn it. We probably could have got that one. Well, phone's almost dying anyways. So it is what it is, I guess. But we're going to get out of here. Going to head home. And rest up. It's been a fun-filled day. Very nice hike. We got to see lots of birds. And yeah, 10 out of 10 experience, I would say. Totally recommend it.